Well, here I am at Cleveland, and I thought I'd come here and show you guys because it's really beautiful. I think I've shown you the lighthouse before, but we'll go there later. But I just wanted to show you the marina, and I am taking some photos. So that's the marina. So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? So that's over there. There's a bunch of shops. We might go there later, and restaurants, and some people are actually going on a cruise here, a 3-hour cruise. And let me show you what I'm doing here. I don't know if you can see that, but I've got F11, so I can get everything in focus from front to back. And if these photos have turned out, here they are right now. Christmas tree here. It's good to see that they're still putting up Christmas trees, and yeah, so we'll go for a walk along the boardwalk here and see where it takes us. Their cruise is leaving. I wonder where they're going. Bon voyage. So it's really nice here. Everyone's enjoying and eating and drinking, and yeah, it's really nice. It's bigger than what I thought. Here's some more photos. Here's a little classic. Mamma Mia. That's awesome advertising, isn't it? For a pizza place, which is obviously here. The boardwalk's nice and long. Oh, not that long, but it's okay. Here's where the boats come and fuel up. And that's where we were, straight ahead. Like all those apartments, or I don't know if they're like townhouses, I guess. A modern boutique-style marina with 75 floating berths nestled in the protected waters surrounded by a boardwalk at Cleveland. The marina has all-weather access and is only a few miles from the delights of Horseshoe Bay on Peel Island, and offers a choice for boat owners to cruise the open waters of Moreton Bay to the north or the sheltered channels to the south through to the Gold Coast. So that's basically the marina. I hope the wind's okay and you can hear this all right. But now we're going to go out to the lighthouse. Goodbye marina and lighthouse, here we come. I just drove back from the Cleveland Lighthouse, and it's just way too packed. You can't find parking, so I drove down the street and I've come down so far and still there's no parking. So it's a no-goer, I think, or I might come back later. Well, let's go somewhere else and we'll take it from there. Well, I drove past this tree and I had to stop, man. You gotta see this. This is absolutely amazing. These root system of these trees, it just blew my mind, so I had to show you guys. Have a look at this. go across the road and I'll show you with my car in the way, just to give you a perspective of how big they are. Some amazing trees over there as well. Have a look at that. That's ridiculous. Ridiculously beautiful, that is. Let's go for a 4X. Have a look at these trees, guys. They're lined up over here, just massive. Beautiful. I'll just take a quick photo, and you know the drill. If it turned out, here it is. This historic Grand View Hotel pub, but we can't see that. Look at that tree. Bloody hell, still can't get over there. Anyway, I'm going to take a photo of this pub. I don't know if it's working anymore. I hope it is. Since 1851. Wow. It's not open, so, and it doesn't look derelict, so I think it's still operating. Might be too early still. Anyway, I'll take a photo. If it turned out, here it is. There's a classic hot rod car that just went past, and it would have made a great photo in front of the pub. My shutter speed was too slow until I realised there was a nice car going past, so I took the shot, and if it turned out, here it is. Alright, it's been an hour, so let's head back to the lighthouse and see if there's any parking. If there's not, I'll forget about it and come back another day, but we'll head back and have a quick look. Let's go! I found the car spot, but it's too far. There's no way I'm walking all that way. So I'm going to go a little bit closer and see if there's anything closer. Look at that. Beautiful day. You're kidding me. We found a car park. You beauty. Are they coconuts? I'll take a photo and zoom in to see if they really are. Wow. Look at this old fish and chip shop, and there's a beautiful car in front of it. I love these old style cars here. Fish and chippery. Let's go closer. I want to see that classic car. Wow, that is nice. So this must be the chippery place. $1903. Elevated view of the Pier Hotel, Cleveland Point. Yeah, so it's right here. Wow, I love these old photos. Oh, look at the view in the back. 1939. Let's go have a look. Hi, can I go have a look? Wow. clear water from it. Absolutely beautiful. That's nice of them to let me in. Have a quick look. Another park. There's the coffee and tea area. Let's have a look at the building from a bit further back. The Lighthouse Takeaway operates from the street facing kiosk, continuing a 100-year-old tradition of serving gourmet fish and chips, as well as ice cream and cold drinks. It's open from 10 AM till 8 PM daily. So this is the furthest point at this area, and we'll go down to the lighthouse, one of the reasons why we came here, and take a photo of it. It's over there. Nice areas with parklands, or small parkland, and where the kids can play as well, and benches. Man, look at all the sailboats out there. So this thing must light up at night, but I'm not staying to see that. And now we're coming closer to the lighthouse. Man, they cut this tree. I don't know why. Look at that. Ah, man, it's probably 200 years old. That's no good. I'll take a couple of photos of it. And if the photos turned out, here they are right now. So it says it opened to free settlers in 1842, Cleveland Point. I'll take a photo and you guys can read it for yourselves. Well, that's it. So that was the lighthouse here at Cleveland. And have a look at this view, will you? Nice, isn't it? I think there's mangroves. Are they mangroves? Well, I love those colours in there. I'll take a photo. If it turns out, here it is. On that last photo I just took, I did a bracketing, but it was handheld, so I'm not sure if it's going to turn out. So. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!
They say they want it to end. Yeah, I guess they're scared they left before it began. I don't wanna pretend. They're trying to make us happy, all the money we spend. Go to the pawn shop, best by the homeless, got sleep by the bus stop. Maybe it's better when you don't even care about selling your heart out. Cause bitch, I'm a rock star. I grind every day, but today I went harder. Shout from the rooftop, I ain't gonna slave away. Mama always said, either put it up or put it away. The price we pay is silence, but it won't keep my mouth shut. Cause I